What is up, YouTube? It is Storm here, back with another video, and I want to apologize about the lack of uploads within the last 2 months. I know I haven't uploaded, and I do apologize. I haven't been responding to comments, etc. I am back. I was busy with other things, other projects, but I am now back onto my normal schedule of uploading every 3 weeks. However, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up SMS Repeater, how to download it, and how to get it working. Now, I did make a video 2 months ago before I stopped uploading on this channel briefly. So if you guys want to see the functionality of SMS Repeater, see how it works, see what it does, what it is about, I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. I'm also going to leave all the links that I show you guys in this video in the description as well as the commands that you guys can just go ahead and copy and paste into your guys' terminal to go ahead and install the program. Without further ado though, let's get into the video. So first thing that what you guys are going to need to do is you guys are going to need to go to the GitHub link in the description below, which is going to go ahead and open up the SMS Bomber GitHub. Now this was created by someone named aarnhub. This is SMS Repeater, SMS Bomber. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and go to the clone download, and you're going to go ahead and copy this here. And then you're going to go ahead and type in git clone. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into my desktop here, so give me 1 second. So I'm going to go ahead and type in git clone here. And you're going to go ahead and paste the link. And that's going to go ahead and download SMS Bomber onto your guys' Kali Linux. Now, depending on where you guys installed it, you might not see a folder. Since I installed it on the desktop, it's going to show a folder here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and go into that folder, and I'm going to type in SMS Bomber. And I'm going to go ahead and do list. So right here, as you can see, the folder inside of it contains the read.md. You can go ahead and read that. It's just kind of explaining what the program does and how to set it up. If you watch both of my videos, including this video, you don't need to go ahead and read that. And then the actual SMS repeater. So to get SMS repeater open, you're going to go ahead and type in sudo python 3 sms-repeater.py. I might ask you for a password if you're not in root. And then bam, this should open up here. So we're going to go ahead and set it up. Go ahead and go to API settings, click A on your keyboard, and then you're going to need to get a Provil account. Now Provil is a SMS burning site. You can buy phone numbers to any country. You do need credits. They're very cheap. I do recommend doing it. It's worth it. So let me go ahead and show you what Provil is here. So this is Provil. This is the website here. So as you can see, I have a balance of about 10 credits, which is good to buy me, I think, about 20 to 40 phone numbers. So it's pretty cheap, great service. Like I said, have had no issues with them, reliable. So I'm going to go ahead and use my number here that I already purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and type the number right there. So you're going to want to go ahead and type in the phone number with the area code. It's very important that you include the area code. If you don't, it might not work. Each area, depending on what country you purchase from, will be different. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the phone number here, and then go ahead and click enter. And then this is going to ask for your Provil user ID. So let me go ahead and get that, and you can get that by going to the API, and then you'll see user ID and token. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste it in here. And I'm going to go ahead and change everything so there's no need to blur it out. And then the Provil token. Alright, and then once you click enter, it should go ahead and confirm everything, and then you can go ahead and click send SMS. And then from that point on, you can go ahead and type in the number. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. And then go ahead and enter the text. And I'm just going to go ahead and do 3. Let me go ahead and record on my phone so that way you guys can go ahead and see this here. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's how you set up SMS Repeater. Very simple script to set up, very easy to set up. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and add me on Discord. I know my old Discord account got banned, so no one was able to add me. I no longer use Wicker, unfortunately, due to getting locked out of my Wicker account. And I no longer have my Telegram or my ICQ chat. So unfortunately, the only way you're going to be able to contact me currently is going to be through either YouTube comments or through my new Discord account. I hope that video helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.